Have you ever stopped to ponder what the world would look like if our smart devices were smarter than us? Welcome to the dawn of the AI revolution, where this question is not just a thought experiment, but a rapidly approaching reality. Artificial intelligence, or AI as it's more commonly known, is not a new concept. Its roots trace back to the mid-20th century, when scientists first began to toy with the idea of creating machines that could mimic human intelligence. But it's only in the last decade or so that we've seen an explosion in AI capabilities, fueled by advancements in computing power and data collection. Today, AI is all around us. It's in our phones, our cars, our homes. It's helping us decide what to buy, where to go, even who to date. It's sorting through our emails, setting our alarms, and controlling our thermostats. It's making our lives easier, more efficient, and in many ways more interesting. But AI is not just about convenience. It's also about making sense of the vast amounts of data that we generate every day. Through machine learning, a subset of AI algorithms can now analyze this data, identify patterns, and make predictions often more accurately than humans can. And with the advent of deep learning, these algorithms are becoming even more sophisticated, able to understand and interpret complex data like images, speech, and even emotions. This rapid advancement in AI technology is not without its challenges. There are ethical questions to consider, issues of privacy and security, and concerns about job displacement. But there's also immense potential for AI to revolutionize industries, to solve complex problems, and to create a world that's more connected, more informed, and more innovative. So what does this all mean for us? Well, it means that the future is here. A future where our smart devices are not just tools, but partners. Partners in our daily lives, in our work, and in our pursuit of knowledge and discovery. AI is not just a concept of the future, it's here and it's transforming our world. Welcome to the AI revolution. It's time to embrace the change. If you're captivated by the potential of AI and want to stay informed, you've come to the right place. The future is swiftly unfolding before us, and AI is leading the charge. But this journey isn't a solitary one. We're all in this together, learning, discovering, and shaping the future with every step we take. In this thriving community, your voice matters. By liking this video, you're helping to spread the word about the AI revolution. Subscribing to the channel means you're joining a community of forward thinkers, eager to explore the cutting edge of technology. A comment isn't just words on a screen, it's a conversation starter, a spark that can ignite a world of ideas. And if you're hungry for more, there's a treasure trove of information waiting for you. Check out the description for the full guide ebook on this fascinating topic. Don't miss out on the AI revolution. Like, subscribe, comment, and check out the ebook in the description to stay ahead of the curve. AI is not just about robots and self-driving cars, it's integrated into our daily lives in ways you may not even realize. Let's start with the morning routine. For many of us, it begins with the sound of an alarm. But it's not just any alarm, it's an AI-powered alarm that learns your sleep patterns and wakes you up at the optimal time. It's your personal sleep assistant, optimizing your rest for a productive day ahead. As you pour your morning coffee, your smart speaker, perhaps an Alexa or a Siri, gives you a personalized rundown of your day. It tells you about the weather, your appointments, and even the traffic on your commute. That's AI at work, turning a mountain of data into useful, actionable information. And when you turn on your TV while having breakfast, the shows and movies recommended to you are not random. They're curated by AI algorithms that learn your preferences and suggest content you're likely to enjoy. Netflix, Amazon Prime, YouTube, you name it. AI is the invisible hand guiding your entertainment choices. On your commute, you're likely using a navigation app like Google Maps or Waze. Ever wonder how they predict traffic and suggest the fastest route? Yep, you guessed it, AI. It's constantly analyzing data from millions of users to keep you on the move. Even your online shopping is powered by AI. When you see product recommendations on Amazon or ads on social media, that's AI understanding your shopping habits and predicting what you might want to buy next. And let's not forget about social media itself. The posts you see on your feed, the people you're suggested to follow, even the tags in your photos, all of it is powered by AI. It's shaping your digital social experience, curating content based on your likes, shares, and comments. So you see, AI is not some distant futuristic concept. It's here, it's now, and it's interwoven into the fabric of our everyday lives. From the moment we wake up to the moment we go to sleep, AI is there, silently working in the background, making our lives easier and more efficient. And this, my friends, is just the beginning. The workplace as we know it is evolving, and AI is driving that change. Artificial intelligence is no longer a concept confined to science fiction novels or distant future predictions. It's here, and it's transforming the way we work. In the healthcare industry, AI is playing a significant role in streamlining diagnosis and treatment plans. Machine learning algorithms are helping doctors to analyze complex medical data with more precision and speed than ever before. Predictive analytics in healthcare powered by AI can forecast patient health trends and potentially life-threatening conditions, enabling early intervention. In finance, AI is revolutionizing the way we manage our money. Robo-advisors powered by AI analyze market trends and make investment decisions, often with better returns than traditional methods. Artificial intelligence is also being employed in fraud detection, using pattern recognition to identify suspicious activity swiftly and accurately. But it's not just these sectors. From manufacturing to retail, education to entertainment, AI is reshaping the workforce across the board. Automation powered by AI is increasing efficiency and productivity, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex and creative tasks. However, this shift isn't without its challenges. As AI continues to advance, there's a growing concern about job displacement. But it's essential to remember that every industrial revolution brought about change and required new skills. The same is true for the AI revolution. It's creating a demand for a new kind of workforce, one that's skilled in AI and machine learning. AI is also creating new jobs that we couldn't even imagine a few years ago. Positions like AI ethicists who ensure that AI development is carried out responsibly, or AI trainers who teach AI systems how to perform tasks, are becoming increasingly important. So while AI might be changing the way we work, it's also creating opportunities. It's pushing us to learn, adapt, and grow. It's not about humans versus machines, but rather humans working with machines. AI is not here to replace us, but to augment our abilities and open up new possibilities. So, what does the future hold for AI? Let's gaze into the crystal ball. As we cast our eyes towards the horizon of tomorrow, we see a world where AI is not just a tool, but an integral part of our lives. It's a world where AI is our companion, our guide, and our helper in ways we can only begin to imagine. Predictions about the future of AI are as vast and varied as the technology itself. Some experts foresee a future where AI will revolutionize healthcare, making diagnosis quicker and treatments more effective. Others envision a world where AI will drive our cars, manage our homes, and even help us make important decisions. But as we contemplate these potential benefits, we must also consider the challenges we might face. Will AI take over our jobs? How will we ensure the ethical use of AI? And perhaps most importantly, how can we ensure that AI is used for the betterment of all and not just a select few? These are complex issues that will require thoughtful and informed discussions. But one thing is certain: the more we understand about AI, the better equipped we'll be to navigate its future. And that's why it's so important for all of us to engage with AI technology, to learn about it, to question it, to challenge it. Because the future of AI isn't something that's merely happening to us, it's something we're actively creating. As we continue to explore the potential of AI, let's remember to approach it with curiosity, with caution, and with a commitment to use this powerful tool in ways that benefit us all. As we step into the future, one thing is clear: AI will be a part of it. The question is, will you be ready?